Hello. We're going to go over how to rip the assets that you need for my mod and open them when a Unity project. So first we'll have to start off by installing Unity. You go to unity.com. Under plans and pricing, you can just download the personal. It's free. When you hit download now and download here, you just go and download Unity Hub. Once you run the Unity Hub setup, you will get Unity Hub. Unity Hub will give you the ability to actually install Unity, and the version you are looking for is 2021.3.38F1. I already have it installed, so we don't need to go through all that. Next up is Asset Ripper. Go to this website here. Don't worry, this will all be in the README. Links and everything will be in README. You download the version you need for your computer. My computer is a Windows 64-bit, so I would be downloading this one. Once it's downloaded, you can open it, and you need to extract it to a file on your computer. I'm just going to put it in this folder here on my desktop. Once that is completed, you can just double click this to open it. You can tell Windows that you don't care about that and run it anyway. It is safe. Once you run it, you should see a website pop up along with this here. So you're going to focus on the website. It says no files are loaded, so you're going to go File, Open Folder. It's going to come up with a Directory Explorer. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to your Steam library. You're going to go to TCG Card Shop Simulator, Manage, Browse Local Files. And you can just copy this into there. And then you're going to select Card Shop Simulator Data. And you're going to select that folder. And it's going to take its sweet time. There you go. Finish processing assets. So now that this says finish processing assets, we can go File or Export all files. We're going to select a folder to export them to. I have a folder on my desktop. We're just going to put it in this project folder, select folder, and we're going to hit Export Unity Project. This is going to take some time, but we can watch it go. Should be almost done. Okay. And finish post export. That's what you're wanting to look for right there. And that is done. So we can close that and we can close this. I don't think we need anything else on the web. So let's close that. Once that is done, the RIP should be in the folder you gave it. First things first is you can delete this auxiliary files. Don't need that. So now we want to go back to Unity. We want to add project from disk. Find the folder. Mine is on my desktop. Project, exported projects, add project. And then you just click on this here to launch it. This is going to launch Unity. It's going to come up with a couple of pop-ups in the middle of launching here. Sorry about that. So the first pop-up should be right about now. It's going to come up and ask about updated APIs. This one we're going to hit no to. This one about entering safe mode, we're going to go ahead and enter safe mode. This should pop up here like this. So what we want to do now is to go over here to this project area, go to packages, right click on that and hit view in package manager. We're going to make sure we're on packages Unity registry. We're going to search for UI. And then this Unity UI here, we're going to click on that and hit install. It's just going back through and reloading everything that was that's 3 lines on that package that was not installed yet. Should speed up here in a second. Or is just going to make a liar out of me and keep going. There it goes. There it goes. It decided not to make a liar out of me. Okay. And the ripped files are up and running in Unity. So now we can do a little bit of cleanup. There's quite a few files that we do not need for our purposes here. So we can get rid of 1_game. We can get rid of animation clip, animation controller, animator override controller, audio clip, avatar. We can get rid of font. We can get rid of mono behavior, physics material. We can get rid of resources. We can get rid of sprite, streaming assets, and text assets. We can just select all of those and hit delete. Okay. And then the very next thing you want to do is you want to just hit right click in here, hit create, add a folder called editor. And we're just going to add a C# script to that folder. Let me see if I can cheat here a little bit on what I need to add. Okay. All right, so we're going to open this. I want to open it with, actually, we're going to rename this. First, we're going to rename this. We're going to rename it to create asset bundles, because that's going to be the name of the class inside of it. And project, exported project, asset, editor, create asset bundle CS. And I'm just going to, you can double click it in here to open it in Visual Studios or whatever other editor you have set up with your Unity. I need it to open in Visual Code, which my Visual Code is not set up with Unity at the moment. So I'm going to open it like that. And then I'm just going to copy and paste this here. I'm going to include this CS file as a optional download. So all you have to do is just basically drag it over. But that's it. That's just for exporting or building our asset bundles. So it will recompile and everything's good. That's all you need. This is all you need to get started with creating the asset bundles for the prefab loader mod. All right. Thank you.